Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm Sarah Hatch. I'm a mom of 5 kids and an artist. And today I'm teaching my daughter how to draw
a penguin.
Alright, let's get started. Alright, we're going to start with the beak. Make a curved line up and down and over. And then we're going to do a not a diagonal, but it's going to come to a point here and a point here. And then we're going to do a curved line underneath it like this.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a chicken opened their mouth like this.
Yeah. Alright, now we're going to do two
I can't do this.
little lines.
Can't do this.
Can you do 2 little lines in the... Alright, so we're going to go up and then, over. And then it curves over.
And then stop.
And we're going to draw an eye inside. So the eye is like a rainbow.
Oopsie.
And then it curves back and goes in. Can you do a bottom line for the rainbow? There you go. And now we're going to give it a really big pupil by doing another rainbow inside. And then filling in most of it except for a big highlight there and a little highlight there.
A big highlight right there. And a little highlight right there.
And then it doesn't quite meet up at the bottom, but that's how I want it. Okay.
On the beady waddy waddy booty.
So fill that in.
Fill.
Cute. And then I'm going to give her 2 little eyelashes here at the bottom.
I'm going to do it.
Can you do it two little ones right there at the bottom? Okay. All right.
There's 3. I want 3.
Okay. All right. Now we're gonna go up on this side and curve
Right here.
over.
Right here. Right here. Right here. Mom, right here.
Yeah.
Because I did it stupid.
And then you're gonna draw the eye inside there again. So draw another rainbow shape inside.
It's more bigger.
Just however you want to do your eye. So you do the rainbow shape and a line underneath. And then a big pupil on the inside again. And then we're going to leave some highlights again.
Now for 3 eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. 3.
Oh, cute. I'll do my 2 little eyelashes here. And then one thing you forgot to do is the 2 little lines inside the beak. Cute. Perfect. That's cute.
Wait, I need to do it a little bit bigger, like this big.
Okay. All right. So now we're going to draw her hat. So we're going to make the bottom part of the hat right here. And then we're going to make kind of a diagonal line out like that. And then we're going to follow the curve again.
Follow the curve again. Then a circle on top.
Yeah. Circle up here.
Aww.
However you want it. I like your circle. And then you're going to just meet it up.
Meet up.
And then meet it up right here.
Meet up right here.
Cute. And then we can draw little lines. Along this part of the hat. Cute. Okay.
Is
So now.
everybody gonna see it?
Okay. So now we're gonna draw a little line right here for the side of her face.
Okay.
And then a little one right here on this side. And then we're gonna make a scarf. So we're gonna come over. And then the scarf, that's okay. The scarf is gonna come right here and it's gonna have a little bit that overlaps where it comes down.
Then connect it.
Yeah. And you can make it longer and then have stripes in it if you want.
Oh, it's striped. tree because mine is small.
Okay. And then we need to draw the other part of the scarf. We're gonna draw a curved line right here for this side of the scarf. And then it follows along right here. Good. And then it goes under that part of the scarf and then over and around. And then we can draw lines on this part too.
Weep, 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 weep.
We're gonna draw her little feet down here. So you do that rainbow.
Okay,
And
rainbow
then
down
you do
here.
like 4 toes, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then another rainbow right here.
1,
And then
2,
4 toes.
3, 4.
And then we're gonna draw the bottom of her body right here. Like that. And then we're gonna draw the side of her body over here. And have it meet
We're
up.
almost done.
And then the side of her body over here on this side of the scarf. And then have it go under the scarf and meet up. Good. And then we're gonna draw the white part of her belly. So from right here, there's gonna be a line. And then it's gonna go up. And then it's gonna go up here.
How about like this?
Yeah. So yeah, you can fill that in. And over here it's gonna be black too. Next to the scarf, if you have a long scarf like I do. And then yeah, over here, good job. Yeah, go ahead and keep doing that down.
It smells like vinegar.
Yeah?
What does it smell like?
Oh yeah, it does kind of smell like vinegar.
Oh, and you color the whole thing?
Hold on, we gotta do the arms real quick. Or the fins, whatever you wanna call them. So if you do a line out like this, and then it comes to a point, and then it goes back, and you fill those in. And this arm goes down and back up. I might make mine go down a little bit further right there. There we go. Oh, I love your arms. Those are so cute.
Color the whole thing?
Not quite yet. Hold on. So now we want to do, yeah, the black part of her face. So right here, I didn't quite connect it. It goes like that. And then this part gets colored in black.
I'm gonna make it more stir.
And then this part, black also. And so you'll do this whole part black. I'm just showing real quick with some scribbles. This whole part is going to be black. All right, so now that I've shown how to color the black parts, like where you color the black parts, we can go ahead and switch to time lapse for the coloring part. We'll do the beak
Not yet.
like an orange, and then you can do whatever colors you, oh, and the feet orange, and then you can do whatever colors you want for the hat and scarf. Thank you for drawing with us. We hope you had fun drawing the penguin. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos. And I'd love to see how your penguin turned out. So take a picture of it and have one of your parents put it on Instagram and tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio. And then I'll be able to see it. All right, we will see you next time.
Bye 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 bye.